We'll guide you through how to add an app to the home screen on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've just gone and downloaded an app, or you've had the app for a while, but it's just annoying having to go and find it every time you want to go and use it. And so you want to go and add it to the home screen so you can go and unlock your phone and quickly access it. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss how this is done. So to go and get started, we need to go and decide on the app we want to do it with. Let's go and swipe up to go and start viewing our apps. So you can start swiping across here and finding the app you want to go and add. When you go and find the app you want to do this with, tap and hold your finger on it like so. You'll get this pop up and at the bottom it'll go and say add to home. So what you can do is go and tap there and there it is. And you can then tap and hold on it and go and drag it to where you want it to go and be. I could have it just here. That's it. So you literally just tap and hold and start moving it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.